Unlocking everyday English. Bring it up a bit, explained. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase that might seem simple at first glance but can be quite versatile in conversation. Bring it up a bit. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your fluency, understanding these everyday expressions can significantly enhance your speaking skills. Let's get started and unlock the potential of this phrase together. Bring it up a bit is a phrase that combines the verb bring with the direction up and the measure a bit. At its core, this expression is used to ask someone to increase something slightly. It can be applied in various contexts, from volume control to emotional support, showcasing its flexibility in everyday language. Volume and intensity. One of the most common uses is in reference to sound volume or intensity. Imagine you're watching a movie and the dialogue is too quiet. You might say to the person with the remote, "Can you bring it up a bit?" Here, it means increase the volume slightly. Quality and performance. In a workplace or educational setting, the phrase might be used to encourage improvement. For instance, if a project doesn't meet the expected standards, a supervisor might say, "You need to bring it up a bit," suggesting an enhancement in quality or effort. Physical position. Although less common, bring it up a bit can also refer to physically lifting something to a higher position. For example, during a photo shoot, a photographer might say, "Can you bring the camera up a bit?" indicating the need to adjust the camera's angle by raising it slightly. Understanding variations can help you better grasp the phrase's meaning and how it fits into different conversations. Similar expressions include, turn it up a notch, step it up a bit, or simply, increase it a little. Each variation keeps the core idea of making a slight adjustment but can be used in slightly different contexts or to match the speaker's personal style. Bring it up a bit is more than just a simple request. It's a versatile phrase that finds its place in numerous aspects of daily communication. From asking for the volume to be increased to encouraging someone to improve their performance, it's an expression worth adding to your English toolkit. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use and understand "bring it up a bit" in your conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself becoming more fluent and confident in no time. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content soon.